Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy J Code. So today I'm going to be showing you some clips of the 3 a.m. fidget spinner challenge I did last night. If you haven't, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, share this video around because I'm trying to get more likes and more views. If you want a shout out on the next video, please comment notification squad. Also comment what you think I should do for my next video and further videos in the future. Further ado, here's the video.
Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, J Code here. So currently it's currently 3:03 a.m. and I'm gonna spin a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. and I'm spinning a fidget spinner. Let's go see if anything happened.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, but yeah, I didn't find anything as usual because ghosts and witches don't exist. I'll see y'all next time in another video. I think my next video is gonna be one of those videos where I'm gonna react to a kid shooting a TV because his Xbox got taken away. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. But see y'all next time in my another video.